Hi friends! I have come across many people finding themselves perplexed when they come across solving this Rubik's Cube. Today, I will show you an easy way to solve a jumbled up Rubik's Cube in any monstrous combination. Do you know that this classic Rubik's Cube was invented in 1974 by a Hungarian professor named Rubik, who originally named it the Magic Cube. However, in 1980, it was renamed after its creator and is known as the Rubik's Cube. Let's have a basic idea of the Rubik's Cube. The individual cubes over here can move to any possible locations, replacing the station cube. However, the center cubes cannot move anywhere and they are always stationary. For example, the white and yellow cubes are opposite to each other. Phew! We will see this property to start solving Rubik's Cube. Chin up and cheer, guys. Let's begin. To maintain consistency. For the next step, match the color next to white to the center color so that it forms a diagonal like this. If the diagonal is on the right, then turn the right face away and flip back the upper face. Similarly, if the diagonal is to the left, turn the left face away and flip back the upper face. Do this process to complete the white face. And congratulations! Your white face is done, and so is the first layer of your cube. Woohoo! Next, we need to complete the second row. For this, we need to make a big T. The tip of the T should not have a yellow color. Having a yellow color makes it ineligible for the next step. Anyways, look for the color in the tip and check if it falls to the right face or the left face. For a left hand step, do the following: up, and left prime. If the color is on the right, then do this step: up, and right prime. Then do the previous diagonal step. Now you see the second row is complete. Occasionally, you can come across a flipped color in between of the second row, like this. In this case, you need to take off the cube using the following steps. Firstly, position the face to the right, up, and right prime. Then do the previous diagonal step to complete the movement. The third step is to create a plus on the yellow face. A key to this is to locate yellow positions like this. For this, you need to memorize the following step: front, up prime, right prime, and front prime. it until you form a plus. The next step is to position the centers of the upper face with respect to the centers. You need to match the colors in the adjacent sides and hold it such that one color faces to the right and the other away from you. Then do the following steps: right, up, right prime, up, right, up, and right prime. Sometimes the matching colors may not be next to each other but the opposite. Then you need to repeat this step twice. Now you will have the centers positioned. Hold some patience. You're very close to solving the whole cube. The corner cubes have to be fixed now. The task here is to have the correct corners. The colors have to match with the adjacent faces. Choose the one which is correct and hold it to the right. Then do the following steps. And I actually call it the slab step. Up, right, up prime, left, up, right, up prime and left prime. Repeat the step until all the corners are correct. If in case you do not have any corners in the beginning, then just start the slab step anywhere. Now that you have all the corners correctly located, we will do the final kill. The last step is right, down, right prime and down prime. Do this continuously until the yellow gets in position. Once it is done, then move the top face to the position where the yellow turnover is done, like this. Follow the steps for all the corners to finally have your solved cube. And voila! Now you can call yourself a genius.
Hi Dishika, what are you doing?
Oh my dear brother, I was just solving a Rubik's cube.
Can I solve it?
Yeah, sure, solve it. Take
This one like that, and this one like that, this one like that. Look.
Oh my god! It actually solved it!
Yay!
Oh my god! I told you anybody in this world can solve it. You have fun.
Smash the like button.
And don't forget to subscribe.